It's time to stop building web applications and AI applications, full stack applications using Scratch programming languages. Rather than that, if you utilize the Genai tools to build such web applications, full stack applications, as well as AI, ML, all these applications, that reduces a lot of time. Obviously, the industry is expecting now. I'm launching 90 minutes webinar, and you would like to learn Genai tools such as CLAT, OpenAI, Cursor, Lovable, Bolt. I would be give you completely hands-on knowledge by building a practical scenario. I am Venkat Naik, Srini Software Training. If you wanted to know more, click below, enroll now.